What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with more bullish content for you guys in this video. Another banger of a video, guys. And I got a secret that I got to break down for you guys in this video. The Fed chair, Jerome Powell, he's making it super easy for us to become millionaires, guys. He's making it super easy for us to attain financial freedom. If this is something that you're interested in, guys, we're gonna break it down, the broader markets, the future FOMC meeting, and what it could mean for Tonic and the Crow ecosystem in this video, guys. Once again, if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. We're almost there, and then let's head on to 3,000 in the future, guys. I'm telling you, you guys supporting these videos is pushing it out there into the algorithm, and it is getting new and more eyes on the project. I see people in my comment section say, yo, I want to get some Tonic. How do I get Tonic? How do I get Tonic? And then I guide them through it in the replies, you know, and let them know how did they scoop up a bag of Tonic, guys. I'm telling you, supporting the content creators in general, not just me, but content creators in general, helps to push the project out there, gets more and more eyes on the project, which then in turn helps the project to grow. The Tonic has such great utility, such great DeFi use case, such great ways for us to have passive income, guys. It is literally a banking system, a digital banking system that is gonna have so much market share taken up in the future. Institutions, the richest, the wealthiest will be buying Tonic because of these use cases, guys. So don't fade supporting content creators, don't fade this project, keep supporting. Go back and rewatch all of my previous videos, watch my Tonic playlist videos, guys, watch my Tonic shorts. I had a few comments recently saying, like I just said, I had a few comments saying, how do I get into Tonic? How do I get in? Few comments saying, oh, I'm in. And it's just great to see, man. I'm telling you guys, this is truly a great project, has so much potential, and you know, the future is looking super bright. From Chris, keep those positive vibes coming. From Rami, great reminders. From Johnny L, let's go Tonic. From Muskie, I subscribed. From Old School Gamer, my favorite crypto, Tonic. From Jamie, this coin will go bonkers. From Rafi, the timing is perfect. From Kraken, fire, just flames. From Godzilla, let's go Tonic is the future. I'm telling you guys, man, keep it up. It's gonna just cause a snowball effect. Sorry, my apologies, you know, for over speaking there. But it's gonna cause a snowball effect. And you know, the message is just gonna keep spreading. The snowball is just gonna keep growing, and it just gets bigger and bigger until it just, you know, causes a huge avalanche, a huge wave in the crypto space. And it's all gonna be about Tectonic. Tonic right now, 30,491 people on the watch list, down 1%. That is fine. We can't just continue up all the time. We have to make corrections along the way. $26 million in market cap, 133K in 24-hour trade volume. Have it, you know, compared to Bitcoin because of my previous video. Didn't change it back as yet. But as you guys can see, it's following the big dog. Sound fundamentals on Tonic. It is making higher lows. We are continuing this bull trend. More catalysts, like over the next few months. Tonic is up around 200% right now, or just under 200%, right? From around the $10 million market cap range. If you think taking profits on a 200% move, you know, is your plan, I mean, profits is profits. I'm not mad at you. But if this is the start of the bull trend, and you take profits on a 200% move, and there's so much more upside for Tonic in the future, you just might regret it. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but you just might regret it, guys. Everyone is saying we could see a 30K Bitcoin incoming, guys, and I could only imagine where Tonic is gonna be when we zoom out completely on this recent move, guys. There's so much room to grow, to get back to the all-time high and to even push past for new all-time highs for Tonic. There's so much room to grow. Like, you can't deny that fact. Also, like I said, Tonic has great fundamentals for an altcoin. It has survived the bear market. The worst of the bear market is over. The worst part of the bear market was the Sam Bankman-Fried debacle. We could go lower. I won't rule it out for the bears. That is a possibility. But overall, if Tonic survived the Sam Bankman-Fried debacle, FTX situation, there's nothing that could, derail the project once again. Obviously, with the broader market, if the broader market dumps, it's gonna dump as well. But it didn't completely crash through the bear market. So now it's gonna go into the bull market. 3 years of bull cycle, guys. 3 years. What could the top be for Tonic with 3 years of bull market? I've showed you guys charts in the past where every previous cycle, it was 1 year of bear market and 3 years of bull market. Just try to wrap your head around 3 years of bull market for Tonic, guys. I'm telling you, 200% profits. Man, I get 3x's and 4x's trading on like, crap exchanges like it's nothing, right? So 200% move is nothing to me. I'm gonna wait and see what happens in the future, man. That's the best thing. Diamond hands win, especially if you bought in the beer. You wait until the bull and then you take profits. Blockchain apes. The biggest revolt is not using the USD. Use other fuel assets and leverage the crypto. Example, Tonic. This is a fact. I'm already trying to transition my mindset into using less and less dollars, right? I'm literally doing my best to transition to use just crypto for everyday life. If there's a place that I could pay in crypto, I'm going to that place instead. That's literally how I'm training my brain, guys, because this is the future. I really do believe this is the future. This is what is gonna become normal for the world to be, where everywhere you go you could pay with your crypto, and every transaction will be in crypto, and it will be seamless, right? It will be integrated in our day-to-day lives throughout social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Crypto will be everywhere, especially in the gaming side of crypto. DeFi would be more, the stock market investors, the Warren Buffetts, the new Warren Buffetts, because there's some young Warren Buffetts that are, growing, stock market investors that are becoming multi-millionaires, $100 millions, billions of dollars. There's gonna be the new wave of the Warren Buffetts, right? And they're gonna be the crypto version. So it's only a matter of time, guys. That's more who Tonic appeals to as far as its market share. With GameFi, for example, GameFi will have all the kids, the youngsters, the people that are, still in high school. Those are that is who GameFi will appeal to. So the markets, as we could just take a look, guys, the broader market for crypto is getting more and more mass adopted daily. And you are here in the bear market. You will be a superstar in the future. I'm telling you, you are a genius. You are a genius for being here right now. From Johnny Woo, remember we are almost at the end of a 1-month bullish rally since January 1st. FOMC 25 basis point rate hike is already priced in. And anything above expectations would be a trigger for a market correction. Taking profit along the way never hurts anyone. Everyone's different traders. Everyone thinks from different perspective, guys. Taking profits on the way up is always the smartest thing to do. We'll see what happens, but right here, this is the important information. Everyone is expecting a 25 basis point rate hike for the FOMC meeting that is happening very soon. The market has it already priced in, right? Will we go lower if we're expecting dovish news from the Fed? Will we go lower if everything is still looking bullish and there's great GDP numbers? The EU buying Bitcoin, 2% of Bitcoin added to their balance sheet. I guess I'm a permabull, guys, because I don't think we're gonna be going lower. I think we're just gonna be continuing up further from here. From Crypto Candy, 2nd Feb, 12:30 a.m. Market prediction for 25 basis point hike at FOMC is 98.4%, which is bullish. There's so much good news that is happening. Even the Fed, Jerome Powell, Even the Fed chairman, Jerome Powell, is making it super simple for us to make those millions. Say the meeting does happen, and then we have that 25 basis point hike. Just think what the S&P 500 will do. It will just boop, straight shot, parabolic, break all resistances. Guess what Bitcoin will do? Follow the S&P. Crow, follow Bitcoin. Tonic, follow Bitcoin. Follow Crow. I'm telling you guys, the Fed is making it easy for us to be millionaires, guys. I'm telling you. From Ash WSB, good morning, crypto fam. Bitcoin has a hard time breaking 23,500, so high chance of 22K. Also pumping hard. We have the FOMC meeting on the 1st of February. Okay, that's when it's official, the 1st of February, and everyone is expecting a 25 BPS hike. So we can see heavy volatility in the next 4 days. Trade carefully. I really do think we're gonna be dovish, man. Dovish meaning bullish, right? Dovish in the stock market terms is bullish. Hawkish is bearish. I'm like I said, guys. I don't see the bad news. Where is the bad news? I'm looking all over. I'm doing a 360 to look for bad news, and I don't see it. All I see is bullish news, bullish momentum, right? The 25 BPS hike is already priced in. We get the 25 BPS hike, the market is gonna rally. Lance Roberts at 4.25% of the 2-year treasury rate says the Fed would not hike to 5% or more. Upcoming FOMC may be a 25 BPS hike, and that's it. That is bullish news, guys. That is what's gonna make the DXY fall lower, tumble further, and then we'll see Bitcoin break that 23,500 resistance. Now, I could be wrong. That is always a possibility. But I really don't. I'm not seeing any negative anymore. Unless we have another Black Swan event. But how many could we have? We had so many last year. We'll see what happens though. But hey, I'm gonna remain bullish, man. The 1st of February is the next FOMC meeting. I'm gonna remain bullish. Dr. Profit, numbers are out. US GDP plus 2.9%. Better than expected. Market awaits FOMC on the 1st of February. If rate hike increases are lower than expected, market will explode to new highs. This is when I see Bitcoin nearby 25 to 26,000. I completely agree with Dr. Profit here, guys. I completely agree with this. The Fed, Jerome Powell, the chair, we predicting their moves now, guys. We literally could see what is happening. It's gonna be dovish. It's gonna be bullish. Bitcoin gonna go to 25, 26K. Tonic is gonna follow behind the big dog, the top dog in the space, the lead market mover. And then we're gonna see Tonic break that 30 million market cap range and continue up further, guys. I'm telling you, it's right there. It's staring you in the face. It's staring at you in the face, guys. You know, we've been bearish for too long. We've been bearish for too long. This could indeed be the start of the bull. There's so many altcoins that I see are, being bullish, Tonic included, right? It's only a matter of time, guys. I'm telling you, DCA, Diamond Hand, be smart, guys. Take profits if you have to, but DCA and Diamond Hand, that's my best advice. Sell in the bull. Don't sell in the beer. The beer is when you buy. Sell in the bull. It's that simple. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If there's anything you would like me to add or check out, let me know in the comment section, guys, so I could continue making great content for you guys. This is your first time hearing about Tonic. Let me get your thoughts as well. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.